It's a story that spans the country, one of enduring success, sealed by expertise. We are Megasealed. We stop leaking showers, bathrooms and balconies without removing tiles. The leading players in the game. Our cost-effective innovation has transformed the industry. Over 24 years of experience. 105 plus territories across Australia. 20,000 bathrooms and balconies resealed every year. Founded by the innovative entrepreneur Jacques Corton. His vision revolutionized the industry with high-tech leading-edge sealants, advanced products which transform bathrooms without a costly renovation, using cutting-edge technology. What makes us special? Our people. Our valued franchisees are part of the Megasealed family. You bring our vision to life. Our partnerships. Megasealed work with every major real estate agency in Australia. We're trusted to get the job done by property managers and strata across the country. The most efficient contractor on our list. Prompt, efficient, courteous and reliable. On time and on budget. The bathroom was like brand new. Our expertise. Megasealed are the only ISO 9001 nationally endorsed company in Australia. That means we're the only ones who meet the highest industry standards and are trusted across the country. Trust the professionals. Be part of a leading business community that is about the community. Be part of something mega. Be part of Megasealed.